Hello everyone, my name is Sunder and I made a game on Scratch called Flappy World. Now there are some walls that will glide to the left side and the bird will dodge these walls. Each time I press the space key, the bird will go up, and when I leave the space key, it will go down. And each time I dodge these walls, I will gain 5 points. Now, when I start and reach 20 points, there will be a great job sign. But if I touch any of those walls, I will get a oops, try again sign. So let's start.
Hey. Hey.
So my score was 20, and then I got a great job you won sign. Now let's see what happens when we touch the walls. So there will be a oops, try again sign. Thank you.